Hello, my name is Luke and I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade the SSD in HP Pavilion Laptop. So the first step is there's going to be 2 screws here, and then there's going to be more screws underneath of this thing right here, this pad, and there'll be another one underneath this one. So if you just tear that off, it's fine for it. There's a little screw right here, and then you're going to want to take like a flathead screwdriver, or what I would recommend, like some triangle thingies right here. And then just kind of lift it up and you can have access to your internals. So the first thing you're going to do when you get it open is find the battery, which is this little L-shaped thing, and unplug that. The second thing you're going to want to do is locate your SSD. This is your SSD. It's about 200-ish millimeters, 280 millimeters-ish long. It looks like a rectangle, kind of looks like a thing of gum. And there's gonna be a little screw at the end of it, and that goes into like a little black box. You're gonna find that screw and take it out. Just gonna take it up and take it out. And your SSD is now out of your laptop. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our new SSD and bring that back over. And you're gonna wanna take your SSD, kind of put it at about a 45-ish degree angle. That it should just come up. It should not do that for you. Put it back in and screw it down. And just like that, you have officially put your SSD back in. You have upgraded your storage. All you have to do from here is take your panel back, latch them on, re-engage those clips. If you enjoyed this, go watch the video where I reassembled a computer.